Hello, this is your watch group maintenance team back with another video. Today we're discussing the GFCI outlets located in your bathroom or in your kitchen. Today we're here with Sean. He's going to show you how to reset this. If a little red light on the GFCI outlet pops on, as you notice here, the button is popped out. Go ahead and press the button back in to reset it. You should be good to go and have no more experiences with power outages, whether you're using curling irons, maybe your fan up above. If you do experience any more issues with outlets not working, please call the office. Thanks again, Sean.